Hi berries, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make stretch mark butter to completely fade stretch marks fast. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. So in making the stretch mark butter, you will need organic shea butter which moisturizes the skin, reduces skin inflammation, stretch marks, it slows aging, it relieves itchy skin, it restores skin elasticity, it treats acne and blemishes. You need sesame seed oil which reduces swelling, redness, inflammation, acne, pimple, blackheads, whiteheads, wrinkles, fine lines, enlarged pores, and it repairs damaged skin cells. You need mint oil which reduces acne, it soothes itchy skin, skin irritations, and it heals sunburn. You need sandalwood oil which reduces the appearance of scars, it treats eczema, and it helps to fight aging. You need vitamin E oil which moisturizes the skin, it reduces skin itching, it soothes eczema, it reduces the appearance of scars, it prevents and treats fine lines and wrinkles. You need rescue oil which helps in reducing the appearance of scars, it prevents and fades stretch marks, it moisturizes the skin and slows aging. You need frankincense oil which helps in treating dry skin, it reduces the appearance of wrinkles, age spots, scars, and stretch marks. You need lavender oil which lightens the skin, it soothes eczema, it reduces acne, wrinkles, redness, and it fades scars. And you will need shellac oil which helps in fading scars, stretch marks, redness, green veins, and less smoke. So firstly, in a clean bowl, I'm putting about 50 grams of my organic shea butter. You can also use cocoa butter in place of this shea butter. Next, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of rescue oil. After which, I'm putting 1 tablespoon of mint oil. Then I'm putting 1 tablespoon of sandalwood oil. I'm now putting 1 tablespoon of vitamin E oil. After which I'm putting 1 tablespoon of frankincense oil, now putting 2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, lastly I'm putting 1 tablespoon of shea oil. So I'm double boiling to melt the butter. Now it is completely melted. I'll leave it to cool a little before transferring it into my cup. Now it's cool, so I'll transfer it into my clean cup. After transferring it here, I'll put it in a fridge to thicken up, or you can put it in a cool place for about 24 hours. And here is our stretch mark bra. This bra works very fast in fading stretch marks, more especially the new ones. It also helps in preventing stretch marks in pregnancy, especially on the tummy region. You don't have to wait for your tummy to start scarring before using this bra. You start using it from the moment you discover you are pregnant to help prevent stretch marks even after giving birth. It also lightens dark stretch marks and reduces the appearance of white stretch marks, so you really should try it out. If you're using the stretch mark bra on an old stretch mark, be sure to scrub the stretch mark to fasten the effects. I have a video on how to make stretch mark scrub and I'll be dropping the link in the description box below, so be sure to check it out. Please do not scrub a new stretch mark. This bra alone is enough to fade a new stretch mark. Use the stretch mark bra at least 2 times daily. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, do give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do, don't forget to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.